Hey, this is Dustin Allen here with SysQue, and I have the opportunity to speak quickly with Mike Chiappone. Mike Chiappone agreed to spend 5 minutes with us on a SysQue Take 5. Mike, go ahead and introduce yourself and explain what you're going to do for us and show us today.
My name is Mike Chiappone. I work with Lightning CAD, and we had the pleasure of working with SysQue on drawing 3 pumps. You'll see me detail all the pumps and in a timely manner, as quick as I could. You'll see me drawing, and I'm cutting in valves right now. And as you'll see, when I'm cutting in the valves, my flanges automatically get put in. I don't have to go back and select the flanges and put them in myself. They got this other great tool called Delete Pipe. You see me use it here. Click the pipe and it automatically squishes the fittings and all that together.
Yeah, now you're on the hot water side, and one of the things I like is the elevations that you're spotting in your section, right? Tell us what those elevations help you do when you're in the plan view and start to route that pipe above those pumps.
Yep. So the elevation is going to be set. So you'll see me here when I'm done putting in all the valves. I'll go back, click on both pipe supply and return and figure out my elevations so that when I go to the top view, I can cut the pipe in. And when I draw the pipe, all 3 of my T's will be automatically cut in. I don't have to go select T's, resize, or any of that. They'll all be cut in.
Yep.
You can also see in here too, my insulation is automatically being drawn when I draw the pipe around fittings, valves, everything. So what I'd like to do is in the beginning of the job, I'll set my insulation specs up from the start per job. That way when I'm drawing pipe, changing pipe, moving fittings, anything like that, I know that my insulation will be correct 100% of the time. There's no guessing, there's no anything. And I can do that based on pipe size, pipe system, whatever I can get or whatever I need, I can have that automatically set up.
Mm-hmm. I see you're using the Revit tools, using the copy, and uh, looks like you just copied those pumps a couple times.
Yep.
And all you really have to do to reassociate those is worry about those end connections and tie them into that system.
Correct. And right here is where you'll see where that elevation is so important to know. When you go to the top view, you can see SysQue is cutting in all my T's right now. Insulation's going on, it cut in all my T's, boom, I'm done.
Mm-hmm.
Put
And you're
my pipe
using
cap
that
on,
end cap, right? Yeah. And then that
delete pipe.
yep, that delete pipe comes back in, right? I see you
Correct.
leveraging that like almost every other move, it seems like.
Yeah, that's such a unique tool, and no one else has it. It's quick and it makes my life a lot easier, especially when you're getting into mechanical rooms drawing where you just don't have the space. You don't need extra pipe and spots, so you use that tool. That tool is very, very helpful.
Yep.
And you can see here again, same thing. It's cutting in my T's for me, and it has no problem. Everything's exact. Everything is lining up.
Seems like it's running extremely fast. You guys have pretty good success on larger projects with this?
Yeah, we have never had any problems with SysQue.
Good.
I use it day in, day out.
Okay, good to know. You've been using it for a few years though, right? I definitely consider you as one of our power users.
Yep, I use it every day. I use it for hangers. Anything I touch in Revit, I have a SysQue palette for. I build a lot of my palettes before I start the jobs with fittings, families, everything like that, so that when I'm in a job, I know that there's no questions to be asked about what's in there. I know everything's in there. Another unique tool about SysQue is their hanger. They're able to click the pipe and be able to click a button, and your hangers are automatically placed. You can set your hangers a foot to 6 inches off of fittings. There's so much you can do with that aspect of that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I see there's one instance or a couple instances where it may have placed one too many hangers, but it's just following the rule set and backfilling with the math, right?
Correct.
The user, in the field may not pick up on every one of those hangers, or the detailer could go delete what actually doesn't need to be there. But yeah, very, very unique and useful. Uh, Thanks, Mike. Really appreciate the opportunity to talk about this today with you.
No problem. Thank you, Dustin.
To request a demo or learn more about Trimble MEP products, visit us at mep.trimble.com or find the right link for you in the description. Thanks for watching.